Hey everyone, it's Julianne here, Stampin' Up independent demonstrator from recently soggy Hobart. I've just come home from work to one of my favourite, let's face it, my favourite thing ever, and that is a Stampin' Up delivery. If I go sideways, you can see there's 2 boxes sitting on my craft table. I've managed to whip them away out of sight before my husband gets home. And if you hang 5, I'm going to set up my tripod and we can have a bit of an unboxing. Anyway, exciting stuff. Hang with me. Okay, here I am. Got my boxes ready. Hopefully you can see all those. Opening it up now. Actually, I'm going to check that you can see it so that I don't lose the video. Yep, all good. Okay. Now the good thing about being a little bit older, as I am, is that you have a terrible memory. Well, I do. And so even though I placed this order probably a week ago, I have very little memory of what's actually in here. So it's like Christmas. Anyway, let's have a look. Oh, I know what this one is. This is my box of catalogues, which is so exciting. I have a special deal at the moment that if you'd like to join my mailing list, I will send you one of these babies for free with maybe a little extra something. So pop over to the blog and sign up today. Nothing else hiding in that one. So this is my actual product here. Let's give it a go. Make sure you can still see that box. Okay. Drum roll, if I had a drum roll machine. Lots of paper packing. Don't you love the way Stampin' Up actually uses paper packing, so you don't have to worry about recycling. It's all biodegradable. Okay, this order is going to be a mixture of retiring items and sneak peek items from the new catalogue, so I'm excited about all of those. Okay, on top we have 3, 4, 5 of the new stamp pad designs, and I think 4 of these are actually new colours for 2018-2020. Can't for the life of me remember which ones they are. I think that soft sea foam is a returning colour. I think these are the 4. So you put those together with the Grapefruit Grove, which I already had. Oh, can't get. They are your 5 in colours for 2018-2020. I think you can agree they're pretty special. Great. What else have we got that's new? Okay, this one I'm really excited about as well. This is the painted glass stamp set and Big Shots dies. So together they are a bundle. So that's really exciting. Hope you can see that one. As I've admitted to before, I've got a thing about symmetry, so the stained glass windows and everything are going to be one of my favourites, I think. And the dies, let's get rid of that. The dies are pretty special too. Oh, they're on 2 sides, as you can see. There's windows, an arched window, a square window, round window if you put 2 arches together. It's a bit play school, isn't it? And a long one as well. So watch out for future videos because I'm sure they are going to feature heavily. What else have we got here? Oh, this is the new one of the new papers, the Garden Impressions. Even you can see just from there that that's really nice. And in that pack you get 6 by 6, it's 15 centimetres by 15 centimetres, and you get a nice bundle of those. Can't wait. Okay, that's my complimentary catalogue. Lots of great ideas and wonderful products in there. Also ordered the 2018-2020 in colour cardstock. So hopefully there, just checking, you can see there's those five colours there with a few sheets of each of those, so watch out for that. I've also ordered, as I say, it's a bit like Christmas because I can never remember. That's a retiring product. That's a Tasty Treats cardstock. So that'll be nice just for my own personal stuff. And I have also got some Whisper White, one of our staples, one of our must-haves. And I'm going to be embarking on the world of heat embossing. So that's my heat embosser, my Versamark, got some gold embossing powder, my embossing buddy there, and I love this one. One of my team members put me onto this one. It's the Fairy Celebration. Now this is a continuing stamp, so if you like the look of that, that one should be available in the next catalogue as well. So I will be featuring that one in future videos. So that's all very exciting. Thank you for watching. Can't wait to get my hands on some of this wonderful product. As I say, get onto the mailing list and you can score a free copy of the new catalogue. As you can see, there's hours of entertainment there for the mad crafter with some ideas and great new products, which are available to customers from the 1st of June. But get your preview now. But anyway, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for future installments with some of these great products.